Hello, Christchurch family and friends. It's time for another church hall construction update. We'll start with the exterior here. This is the west elevation. The brickwork is all finished on this side, and this side here is the north side, also getting close to finishing that side. Here we have the east side, which is in progress as we speak. And here's the south side, which is finished, but there started the washing process here. You can see the split on the right side there where it's already been washed, and the left side where it hasn't been washed. Move to the inside now. This will be entering the east entrance from the parking lot, hallway here. You see the trim has been painting, the baseboards are all in now. Just doing finishing trim work. I have a little decorative alcove here. And then we'll enter into the main room. The obvious thing to see is that the carpet is in place now. The stage up there has been stained, and they're finishing up painting trim and finishing touches like that. All right, here's a close-up of some of the doors for the storage closets, and as well as the AV equipment that has been installed. And that's about all I got for this update, and we'll talk to you soon with another one. Getting close. Thanks.